Are you looking to seriously improve your English speaking skills? It's a goal for so many people, but figuring out how to actually do it can feel, well, a little fuzzy. So in this explainer, we're going to lay out a super clear, actionable plan to really boost your speaking and finally find that confidence you've been looking for. You know that feeling when you're trying to speak and you just feel stuck? The words don't come out right and you hesitate. If that's you, I want you to know you are absolutely not alone. It's a totally universal part of learning a new language. But the really good news is, it's a feeling we can definitely get past. So, do any of these look familiar? Yeah, I thought so. That hesitation, those awkward pauses where you're just scrambling for a word, and oh boy, that big one, the fear of making a mistake. These are completely normal. But here's the thing. We need to stop seeing them as roadblocks and start seeing them as signs that we're on the right path. Okay, so what if I told you that you could see a real, significant improvement in just 1 week? That's what this is all about. We've got a simple, structured plan designed for some seriously big results. So, welcome to your 7-day English-speaking transformation.
That's right, just 7 days. Think of it as this exciting, totally manageable journey. We're not trying to achieve perfection here, not in a week. No way. We're just trying to unlock your voice, to build some momentum, and to boost your confidence in a way that feels really good and actually achievable.
So, how's this all going to work? Well, the philosophy behind it is pretty simple, but it's super powerful. First, we're going to build a daily habit, just to make speaking feel more natural. Second, we're going to mimic the pros, the native speakers, to get our flow and pronunciation just right. And third, we're going to actively push ourselves to expand our range. These are the 3 pillars that'll guide us this week.
Okay, let's get down to business. Time to get practical. This is your daily toolkit for fluency. We're going to focus on 3 core exercises that, I promise, if you do them consistently, they will make all the difference. These aren't just theories, they're actual techniques you can start using, like right now.
So, the foundation of everything is what I call the daily speaking habit. It's so simple. Just 10 minutes a day, you speak out loud about anything. Talk about your day, your dog, the weather, what you had for breakfast. The topic literally doesn't matter. The whole point is just to get comfortable hearing the sound of your own voice speaking English. That's it.
All right, next up in our toolkit is the shadowing technique. This one is all about the music of English. You listen to a native speaker, maybe from a YouTube clip or podcast, and you repeat what they say, like right after them. You're not just copying the words, you're trying to mimic their intonation, their rhythm, their natural flow. Seriously, this technique is a total game changer for sounding more natural.
And our third tool is the topic expansion drill. Think of this as a workout for your speaking muscles. You take one simple topic, let's say coffee, and you challenge yourself to talk about it for 2, maybe 3 minutes straight. This really pushes you to connect ideas, dig for more vocabulary, and start expressing more complex thoughts on the fly.
Now listen, we can have the best techniques in the entire world, but none of them will work if we don't have the right mindset. This brings us to something absolutely crucial for success. We've got to shift our focus from perfection to progress. It's time to tackle the biggest thing holding us back, that fear of making mistakes.
And this chart just lays it out perfectly. On one side, you've got the perfection trap. Its focus is all about avoiding mistakes, which just leads to fear and hesitation. It basically paralyzes you. But then you have the progress mindset. Here, you focus on the small wins, completing an exercise, using a new word, and the result, you build momentum and real, lasting confidence. So if you take one thing away about mindset, let it be this. This should be your mantra for the next week and, honestly, forever. Stop chasing some impossible ideal of perfection. Instead, celebrate every tiny step forward. That is how you really, truly grow. And here's a super practical tip to put that mindset into action. Because it's going to happen, right? You'll be speaking and bam, you get stuck on a word. Don't panic. Don't let it throw you off your game. Just take a deep breath and move on. The goal is to keep the conversation flowing, to maintain that forward momentum.
All right, we've talked about the theory, the exercises, the mindset. Now it's time to put it all into practice. It's time to stop learning and start doing. Let's jump into your very first speaking challenge, right here, right now.
So, what do you think? This is where it gets real, where the transformation really begins. Are you ready to take that first big step towards unlocking the fluent person inside you?
Okay, here we go. Your challenge is to give a short, off-the-cuff speech on a really simple topic, my favorite hobby. It's something you know inside and out,
so you don't have to stress about the content, you can just focus on speaking.
And here are the rules. They're designed to be super low pressure. Take just 30 seconds to think. That's it. Make sure you actually speak out loud. And please, please, please do not worry about perfect grammar. The only thing that matters right now is expressing yourself. Ready? Go for it. And hey, whether that felt easy or really hard, you did it. And that is the entire point. Just remember that consistent effort, doing these little exercises and challenges every single day, is what leads to real, you can actually feel it, results. It's never about being perfect. It's all about making progress and, having a little fun along the way.
So as we wrap this up, I want to leave you with one final thought. For a second, just forget about grammar rules and vocabulary lists. Instead, I want you to ask yourself this. What is the very first thing, that one story, that one idea, that you really truly want to be able to say with complete and total confidence in English? Whatever that is, let that be your North Star.